Hey guys, I'm back with another cookie video. To get started, place 1 stick of butter inside a large bowl. I'm doubling the recipe so it looks like a lot more. Then add half a cup of sugar and beat the butter and sugar until it's very creamy. Then add 1 egg and a little bit of vanilla. Then mix it till it looks fluffy again. Once you're done with that, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Start mixing until it looks like a dough. I know it looks really dry, but it will turn into a dough eventually. Now you can just plop it onto a clean surface. Now you can form the dough into a ball. I used a bench scraper to cut it evenly in half. And then I cut that half into quarters. Lightly flour your surface and you're ready to roll. A good thickness for the dough is in between about 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch. You can use any cookie cutters you like. I use Christmas stuff because this was filmed before Christmas. I try to use a spatula to get it on the tray, but you can just use your hands. I actually forgot to record myself frosting the cookies, but here they are.